Welcome to the Essential Guide for IT professionals on managing SIP trunks within Cisco Unified Communications Manager. Today, we'll navigate through the process of checking the status of your SIP trunks, a crucial step in maintaining robust communication. Let's begin by logging into the CUCM portal, where the journey to seamless connectivity starts. Once inside, we'll locate the SIP trunk section, the gateway to understanding your network's voice pathways. Here we are, at the heart of SIP management. Observe the status indicators that provide real-time trunk information. Troubleshooting begins with a status check. Click on a trunk to delve into detailed diagnostics. For trunks with issues, we'll inspect the error messages, the first clue in our investigative journey. Armed with error codes, we consult the CUCM documentation to decode and address the underlying problems. Resolution in sight, we apply the recommended fixes, a testament to the power of knowledge. For more in-depth guides and support, visit our website and stay connected with the latest in IT solutions.
My Country Mobile, your communication and technology partner.